Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of creating captivating YouTube content with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary approach that combines the power of AI and cutting-edge tools to streamline and automate your video creation process. First, we'll look into what YouTube automation is all about. Imagine having more time to focus on your strategy and growth while your channel continually gets enriched with high-quality content. One of the incredible tools we'll talk about today is ChatGPT for script writing. Next, we'll talk about Pictory AI. Pictory is a state-of-the-art AI tool that auto-generates visual, compelling, and engaging videos with superior AI voiceover. It's about enhancing the quality and appeal of your videos, ensuring that each one captures your audience's attention. But seeing is believing, right? That's why I'll be showing you a live demo of how these tools work together to create YouTube content that stands out. Plus, as a bonus, you'll receive my free ebook on the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. And it is packed with insights and strategies to turn your content into a revenue stream. Now, with these 3 steps, as I teach in my course, I started off with my first YouTube automation channel, and I made a few $1,000s in the first week. And after 6 months, I was up at $200,000. And I can show you how to do that in the course. So get ready to transform the way you create content and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel with automation.
Hello, and welcome to the world of YouTube automation, your fast track to content creation. Before we get started, let me give you an auto-generated, faceless overview of YouTube automation so that you can see the difference, because I want to tell you about using artificial intelligence to automate content creation for your faceless YouTube channel. Let's take a look at what I like to call true YouTube automation, smart AI that makes content creation a breeze. Until now, what many considered automation was essentially outsourcing content development to offshore teams for script writing and video production. But today we're talking about a game-changing approach that puts real automation at your fingertips. With the advent of ChatGPT, script writing is no longer a time-consuming task. In minutes, you can have engaging scripts ready to go, tailored specifically to your audience's interests and needs. Next up is Pictory, a groundbreaking tool that transforms these scripts into visually compelling, engaging videos complete with superior AI voiceovers. This isn't just about cutting corners. It's about enhancing the quality of your content while saving invaluable time. In just a moment, you'll see a demonstration of a video that took less than 10 minutes to produce from script to final cut. This demo will showcase the remarkable capabilities of these tools and the kind of high-quality content they can generate. But let's not forget, creating great content is just the first part of YouTube automation. The second crucial phase is monetizing your channel. That's where the YouTube Fast Track course comes in. This course is designed to teach you ingenious strategies to automate marketing and affiliate revenue, turning your channel into a money-making machine. By clicking the link in the description below, you'll not only get access to this free course, but also receive the free ebook detailing the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. So this is what true automation looks like. And next, watch a demonstration of the high-quality content you can produce with ChatGPT and Pictory. This is content with valuable information that is compelling and engaging, and that can go viral. Check it out.
YouTube affiliate marketing for beginners. Unlocking potential with roundup videos. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of YouTube affiliate marketing? One of the most engaging and profitable strategies you can adopt as a beginner is creating roundup videos. These are not just any videos. They are your gateway to influencing purchasing decisions and boosting your affiliate earnings. Let's explore how you can harness the power of roundup videos like monthly favorites and potentially make a significant income. Why roundup videos work? Roundup videos are essentially compilations where you present a variety of products, often themed around favorites or best of selections. These videos are incredibly effective because they can trigger impulse buys. In fact, studies show that 89% of viewers are influenced by video content when making purchases. That's a massive audience ready to be swayed by your content. The appeal of variety. What makes roundup videos particularly appealing is their variety. They cater to a wide range of interests within your audience. For example, a tech roundup might include the latest smartphone, a must-have gadget for the home office, and a trendy pair of wireless earbuds. This variety is key in attracting viewers who may not be actively looking to buy but could be persuaded upon seeing the range of products you showcase. How to make successful roundup videos. Choose a theme. Start by selecting a theme that resonates with your audience and fits your niche. For instance, if you're into tech, a Top Tech Gadgets of the Month theme would be perfect. Select products carefully. Pick products that are popular, trending, or have unique features that stand out. Research to ensure you're showcasing the best. Create engaging content. Your video should be more than just a list. Share personal experiences, demonstrate how you use the products, and why they made it to your favorites. Strategic placement of affiliate links. Make sure to include your affiliate links in the video description. Be transparent with your audience that these are affiliate links. Here's an example of success. Sarah, a new YouTuber who focused on beauty product roundup videos. Sarah created a monthly beauty favorites series. In her videos, she showcased a mix of skincare products, makeup, and beauty tools. She shared her experiences with each product, giving viewers an honest review. Sarah strategically placed affiliate links for each product in her video descriptions. In her first month, her video garnered 50,000 views with a center of 4%. With an average conversion rate of 2% and a commission rate of 5%, Sarah was able to make around $2,000 just from one video. As she continued her series, her following grew, and by the end of her third month, she had made a total of $6,000. If you're just starting, remember that success in affiliate marketing takes time and consistency. Your first video might not make thousands, but with persistence and by understanding your audience's preferences, you'll see growth. Roundup videos are a fantastic way for beginners to step into the world of YouTube affiliate marketing. They offer an engaging way to showcase products and have the potential to significantly boost your affiliate income. Start small, stay consistent, and soon you become a successful YouTube affiliate marketer.
Imagine earning thousands in passive income from your very own automated faceless YouTube channel. The opportunity is just a click away. Click the link in the description now and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Don't be left behind. Thousands of people are already creating financial success. Don't miss out on your chance to join them. Click the link in the description now and start your path to financial freedom. Your future awaits. Like this video and subscribe to learn more about making.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.